Warm up your space quickly and comfortably this winter. The best room heater energy-efficient options combine powerful heating with low electricity consumption, keeping your home cozy while saving on energy bills, perfect for any room size. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Dreo 1500 Watt Room Heater. The Dreo 1500 Watt room heater is a versatile and reliable solution for anyone seeking fast, efficient warmth in their home or office. Boasting powerful 1500W PTC ceramic heating, this heater warms spaces up to 270 square feet within seconds, making it perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, basements, garages, or even dorms and small workspaces. Safety is a top priority with this model, featuring ETL-certified V0 flame-retardant materials, tip-over protection, overheat protection, a 12-hour timer, 24-hour automatic shutoff, and a durable 6-foot flat power cord. These built-in safeguards ensure worry-free, all-day use, giving peace of mind to families, pet owners, and office workers alike. The Dreo 1500 Watt heater is also remarkably quiet, operating at just 34 decibels thanks to oblique airflow technology, which reduces wind noise by 12% compared to traditional electric heaters. This makes it ideal for nighttime use or focused work environments, allowing you to sleep or concentrate undisturbed. Comfort is enhanced through uniform heating powered by an exclusive trackball system, delivering smooth oscillation at a 70-degree wide angle. With over 750,000 cycles of lifespan, this oscillation spreads warmth evenly throughout the room, ensuring no corner is left cold. Lightweight and portable, the heater combines efficiency, safety, and comfort in one compact package. Number 2. Dreo Vertical Oscillation Room Heater. The Dreo Vertical Oscillation Room Heater is designed for modern living, blending smart technology with efficient heating performance. Its 120-degree wide vertical oscillation ensures that warm air reaches every corner of the room quickly, outperforming standard wall-mounted heaters. This smart space heater allows you to control your home's temperature effortlessly, either through the Dreo app, voice commands via Alexa or Google Home, or manual controls. With precise temperature settings from 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 95 degrees Fahrenheit in 1 degree Fahrenheit increments, the heater delivers fast, accurate, and steady warmth for optimal comfort. Ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, or offices, it features low noise operation for peaceful sleep or focused work. Its LED panel automatically adjusts brightness to match ambient lighting, ensuring minimal disruption at night. The heater's installation is user-friendly, with a full set of accessories, including a drilling guide and a reusable, detachable filter that simplifies maintenance. Built-in safety features such as tip-over and overheat protection, combined with flame-retardant materials, make it a secure choice for families and pets. The vertical design also allows it to fit snugly against walls without sacrificing heating performance, while its smart scheduling functionality lets users align heating with daily routines for energy savings.
Number 3. Dreo 25-inch Room Heater. The Dreo 25-inch room heater is a high-performance ceramic heater that delivers rapid and quiet warmth for larger indoor spaces. Featuring an upgraded hyperamics thermal design and an extended impeller, it produces heat at 11.5 feet per second, allowing it to cover large rooms efficiently. With 70-degree wide-angle oscillation and a heating range up to 270 square feet, it distributes warm air evenly, eliminating cold spots and creating a cozy environment. Noise levels are exceptionally low, dropping to just 25 dB, making it ideal for bedrooms, offices, or study areas where quiet operation is essential. Safety is comprehensive with ETL-certified V0 flame-retardant materials, tip-over and overheat protection, reinforced plug, and an optional child lock, providing peace of mind for homes with children or pets. The heater also features precise temperature control via a built-in thermal sensor, allowing users to maintain a steady room temperature in eco mode with 1 degree F accuracy between 41 degrees F and 95 degrees F. Its 4 heating modes, including H1, H2, H3, and Eco, offer customizable warmth, and the fan function can circulate air during warmer conditions. Lightweight and portable, the 25-inch design is easy to move and fits seamlessly into different room layouts. Users can enjoy fast, quiet, and energy-efficient heating with confidence, knowing that safety and comfort are prioritized.
Number 4. Lasko Oscillating Room Heater. The Lasko Oscillating Room Heater is a practical and easy-to-use solution for maintaining comfortable indoor temperatures. Standing 23 inches high, it is lightweight at just 7.29 pounds, with a built-in carry handle for easy portability between rooms. This heater features 2 quiet heat settings, high and low, and an adjustable thermostat to maintain the desired temperature. The oscillation function evenly distributes warm air, ensuring consistent comfort throughout the room. A multifunction remote control allows users to power the heater on or off, adjust the thermostat, activate oscillation, and set the timer from 1 to 8 hours, providing convenience and flexibility in everyday use. The remote also has a dedicated storage slot on the back, preventing loss. Built-in safety features include overheat protection and a cool touch exterior, so the heater remains safe to touch even after hours of operation. ETL listing confirms its safety standards. This space heater arrives fully assembled, requiring only plugging into a wall outlet and adjusting settings to enjoy immediate warmth. Ideal for bedrooms, living areas, or offices, the Lasko Oscillating Room Heater balances safety, efficiency, and ease of use, making it a reliable choice for anyone seeking an effective and straightforward heating solution. Its compact, portable design ensures that it can be moved wherever warmth is needed most, while the oscillation and thermostat functions provide consistent heat distribution.
Number 5. Dreo Bedroom Heater. The Dreo bedroom heater is engineered for quiet, efficient warmth, making it ideal for bedrooms and larger living spaces. With an upgraded 25-inch ceramic design and hyperamics thermal technology, it delivers heat at 11.5 feet per second, providing rapid warmth across a room up to 270 square feet. Its extended impeller ensures even distribution, reducing cold spots and creating a comfortable environment. Operating at just 25 decibels, this heater is whisper quiet, perfect for sleeping or working without distraction. Safety is prioritized with ETL-certified V0 flame retardant materials, tip-over and overheat protection, reinforced plug, and a child lock feature, making it secure for households with children or pets. Temperature control is precise thanks to a built-in thermal sensor that adjusts heating automatically in eco mode, allowing users to set temperatures between 41 degrees Fahrenheit and 95 degrees Fahrenheit with 1 degree Fahrenheit accuracy. The heater offers 4 modes: H1, H2, H3, and Eco, plus a fan function to circulate air when desired, giving flexibility for different heating needs. Its 70-degree wide-angle oscillation ensures that warmth reaches every corner of the room, maintaining consistent comfort throughout. The Dreo bedroom heater combines rapid heating, whisper quiet operation, advanced safety features, and energy efficiency, making it a standout choice for modern homes. Whether used at night for restful sleep or during the day for focused work, this heater delivers dependable performance and even warmth while prioritizing user safety and convenience. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.